Hey guys, it's me, Draven. Today we are going to make a video of me and my dog playing once more. And today I got this ninja star that I just made. It's extremely tiny, as you can see. So I'm going to put you on my phone holder right here. So, good. Okay. Okay, you're good? Come on, boy. What? You can see me? Good. Okay. Boy, come on. He is a rabid dog. Throw this thing just down. Sentences are you cannot. I will get you once and for all. Oh! Ground is really bumpy. Oh! You will not play. No! Help! Help! You will not play with my ninja star once more. Oh, you chewed it up. Now it's so slimy and wet. Oh, the plan's better. I will kill you once and for all. I have got you. Your weakness is tummy rubs. Okay, good. Wait one sec, boy. As you can see, he ruined my ninja star that I have just made. And yeah, so it was just a quick little video of you. Hey, Caesar, no. Of us just playing together, having a good time, going on the roll. And make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave some comments. And I know you haven't been able to leave any comments. I don't know. You guys have any suggestions? Anyone just... I don't. Oh my gosh, there's a wasp over there. I know you can't leave comments, but just like the video and subscribe. So, and ouch! Oh, my feet are burning. And I will see you guys later. And peace. Wait. One second, guys. Caesar, come here! Come here, boy! Boy! Come here! Come here! Peace out! Wait! I didn't press the pause button. Come on, boy! Come on! Come on! Come on! Okay, never mind. I'll just see you guys later. Peace out.